Hey everyone, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a closer look at all of my locks, my 3-year locks, all of the differences, all of the textures, everything that has to do with this set of locks. And I just want to show you that everyone's set of locks are different. We all have different issues with our hair. You may look at me and say, wow, her hair is so perfect. But no, I've got some hidden secrets up in this, and I just want to kind of give myself kind of expose. I don't know, would you say exposing her locks? I just want to kind of give you a closer look at my locks to show you all of the different things going on, especially this most recent issue that I've been dealing with. And it's not built up, but it is something else. Yeah, I just want to show you that everyone's locks are different, and even though you may see someone's locks that look quote unquote perfect, they most likely are not, because we all have different textures and different tendencies when it comes to our textures. So yeah, I know that my locks are not the thickest set of locks. We all know that. We have already established this years ago that my locks are not thick, but they are perfect for me. I love my locks, but I'm going to show you some things that I don't really like so much about my locks and the things that I kind of do like about my locks. Yeah. So in a recent video, you guys saw that I got my locks interlocked for the very first time. My mom actually did the interlocking session. She did it with a tool, an interlocking tool that had a tiny loop at the top. And she did it in the 4-point, she did the 4-point method, where she interlocked each section north, south, east, and west. And so this is how it's looking a few days later. I just wanted her to only do the roots. I did not want her to kind of minimize the fuzz along the locks. Even though she wanted to, I didn't really want that, because I want my locks to thicken as much as possible. And there you see just a little bit of lint. Yeah, I've been wearing a lot of sweaters and just doing a whole lot. And so you guys already know I am very easy to get build up in my locks. So also at the ends, you guys saw that I trimmed my ends just the other week, and I realized that the ends are easy to trap lint as well, especially when you just cut them. So I find myself always pulling like little pieces of lint from the ends, because of the fact that the ends are just cut, and for some reason it just attracts everything. Some of my ends though, I guess I didn't cut all of them as needed, so I need to go ahead and cut more, because I have some ends that are a little loose. Now this lock right here is the struggle that I've been dealing with so far, and it kind of makes me a little sad. I have my first broken lock, and I know exactly why I have this broken lock. I know exactly why this lock is breaking. It is because when I'm at home editing, working from my desk, I tend to have what you would consider the hand in hair syndrome. And so I'm constantly drawn to that one lock where I'm always pulling it at the ends, just lightly though, but every motion matters when you do it repetitiously. So I would constantly find myself pulling that lock. Guys, don't even mind. You guys saw that that is my dirtiest lock, okay? I'm not even gonna lie. That lock is the dirtiest lock I have, because it's all the way at the back, and it constantly attracts lint. That is another lock that it's not broken, but my ends, you can see that some of my ends are peeking through the lock. But yeah, it is my favorite lock though, nonetheless. So yeah, back to the broken lock on the other side. When you are constantly pulling at your hair, that is exactly what happens. Little by little, what you do every day matters, and when you look up, you realize you have a broken lock. This lock is not broken. It actually buds. It was budding like at a really weird place. It bud like right there. So there's like a little piece of like it's a little bulge of hair like right there. It's very quirky, but I love my locks. You know, I feel like they really kind of show my personality as well, because I'm not quite clean cut. I'm very quirky, very edgy, but I'm not obsessed over neatness. Now, the length of my locks have been one of my main joys with my hair growth journey. It is actually touching my bra strap. So it is bra strap length. Yeah, even though I did cut my locks, they are still, they're still at a length that I like. Now these are the ends of my locks, and as you can see, there's some lint that needs to be pulled because for some reason my ends are attracting lint, especially the locks that I cut. You can also see that some of my locks still have the 2-strand pattern. I mentioned in a recent video that the ends, which are the oldest parts of my hair, the parts that I started my lock journey with, are constantly showing and exposing how I started my lock journey, and you can see the 2-strand twist pattern. And I often say that it looks so, like, you can see the pattern so well, and it has not matured at all, so much so that it looks like I can just go ahead and like untwist my locks and unravel them. But they're pretty solid, so I'm not even worried about that. Now, my parting spaces are not perfect. You guys probably heard me mention this before, but I don't have the most like cleanest parting spaces. When I started my locks, I started them by myself, and I did not obsess over, you know, parting and whatnot. I kind of wish that I did take a little bit more time to part my hair properly, because some styles require that you have clean parting spaces. But like I said, my hair reflects my personality. It's not perfect, it's not clean cut, and I like that, you know, and I like to celebrate that, you know, my personality in that way, and also my hair. I find beauty in the imperfections, so I love it. It's unique to me. It's not like anyone else's locks, and so that makes me pretty happy. You guys see that I have lint built up, so yeah, after this video I actually went ahead and removed the buildup and washed my hair. But yeah, also the back parting spaces are not perfect either, and I like to wear my hair in pigtails, and oftentimes these days I like to kind of cornrow my locks in two, and so anyone can see that like my parting spaces are not perfect, but it's okay. Like I said, it just looks more edgy in my opinion, and it looks more fun to me. My locks in the back are my longest locks, and since interlocking my hair, I see the length even more. I guess it's because the roots are more stretched out than when I would retwist my hair. So I do see that my hair looks very long in the back since the interlocking session, and my hair is long period just because of the things that I'm doing to it to help it to stay in a constant state of growth. So this is how my locks look in the back, and yeah, as you can see by these parting spaces, they are not perfect. I kind of just freestyled it. I wanted to do like a box kind of grid pattern, but it just ended up as, I don't know, a box, like boxes and semicircle, I don't know. My ponytail, however, is I see that it looks stronger, especially since I trimmed the ends. My ponytail is more together in length. I don't have any straggly ends, any locks that are longer than the others. When I put my hair up, they all pretty much meet at the same point. My locks are not all the same length, but they do hang differently since I trimmed my locks, and I'm really, really happy about that. Early last year, I did color my locks. My mom colored my locks jet black. And as you can see, that color is absolutely no longer in my hair. My hair has reverted back to its natural ashy brown color. And lately, I've been really enjoying that. I see it more towards the ends of my locks. I see like kind of like an ombre kind of color look, I don't know, and I'm enjoying it. I'm really enjoying my natural hair color even more than before. My bun is not perfect, by the way. I kind of wish I had a huger bun. When I put my bun up, it's kind of like a mini bun. It's all right though. We are embracing what we got. But like I was saying, the color has faded, and I have kind of like ashy brown, and I see like gold highlights in my locks as well, especially when I'm out in the sun. So I've been enjoying that. Even though I've been really tempted to go ahead and color my locks, I've just been in a place where I just feel like I need to embrace my hair color and not feel the need to put anything on top of it. So I love the color. I love it. And in the summertime, it tends to get lighter as well. So I'm excited to see how it will look in the summer. And how it will flourish, you know? Okay, so that is a close look at my locks, my set of 3-year locks. I have a little bit over 110 locks. For those of you that are wondering how many locks I have not counted in a while, but it is a little over 110. And yeah, I started with medium, thick parting spaces, and I pretty much free-handed the starter locks. When I did my 2-strand twist starter locks, I just kind of free-handed the parting spaces. I didn't really go in with a detailed parting space, making sure everything was neat and tidy with a comb. I just wanted my locks installed once and for all. So yeah, those are my imperfect locks, but they are perfect for me. Let me know what you love about your locks down below, and how old your locks are. Let us know down below. But thank you guys for watching. I hope that you found this video an inspiration for you on your journey. And I hope that you join the crew as well. Hit the subscribe button if you are not a part of the crew, because I upload almost every day and it's always something fun and fresh here on this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Later guys, bye.